Yes, I got him. I hit on the shock drop from The Last Dance on the final episode. Alright, what's goody, y'all? It's Dad's Kicks here, and today I got a shoe that I've never had before. It hasn't been retroed in about a decade. That's 10 years. I'm excited for y'all to see this. I'm excited to see it myself. I haven't opened up the box. I got them when they shock dropped. I did the 2-day $5 extra shipping. Was a little hesitant to choose that because every second counts on that damn Snkrs app. But luckily I hit. I got the shoes. Came quick, but I had some issues here with my car. I had to put it in the shop. Had to do this, that. So it took a little bit longer to get this video out, but we here now and here we go. The Jordan 13s drop. Did y'all cop? Did y'all sleep? You know damn well I ain't sleep. I needed those. Them drinks is fire. Talking about the Snkrs app yesterday. Hopefully I gotta get your hands on a pair, because these are a must-have for the collection. I tried to get a pair for my son and I didn't hit, but I got a pair on East Bay.
Oh yeah.
So I'm hyped for that. You already know. I got a pair. My son got a pair. Oh, by the way, can't believe I even forgot that I did it, but on Finish Line, I did the raffle. So I got the notification on Finish Line. It said, check your ticket. I was like, what? I checked. I revealed it and I was like, it's gonna say dang. I don't even know why I'm wasting my time. In my head it was stuck. It's gonna say dang. The infamous dang. Forget got him. I just said dang. What do you know? Reveal it and it said boom, all yours. I was like, what? What do you know? I hit and I picked them up yesterday. So I'm hyped. So I got two pairs. One to rock, one to stock. I ain't flipping those, nah. I need one to keep on ice. Alright, let's get to it. Got that infamous just take me tape. You already know.
Ooh.
I'm excited for these right here. Okay. We got the OG style box. All gray / metallic / silver with the red Jumpman. Size 12. Air Jordan 13 Retro. Navy University Blue. Color code is 414571404 for 190 cash. Alright, let's check this out right here. Woo-wee. What? These joints is clean right here. We got the white toe box with the stiff, slightly tumbled leather. That Jordan toe box tag. The XIII, aka 13 in Roman numeral. Matter of fact, the OGs back in 1997 when they originally dropped, they did not have anything on the back. You see that suede as you go back and forth, that color changing. Oh yeah, look at that. You see that gray suede changing colors. Always nice to see that. Got the hologram Black Panther's eye, the white rope laces with the tumbled white leather tongue, the University Blue Jumpman. We got the navy blue sock liner. We have the Panther's paw. Man, I'm so happy I got a pair, knowing that a lot of heads were disappointed that these didn't come in 2010 with that
reflective 3M.
It's crazy because on the Snkrs app,
it was not happening.
Yo, I thought I wasn't gonna hit. I was like, yo, what? And then I found the link, but I went on the website for Nike / Snkrs on my phone and I got them.
Woo!
We got the OG colorway right here. The white, the gray, the blue, and that University Blue on the tongue. I don't know if y'all know, but these definitely are a must cop classic pair of kicks
to get.
I promise you.
These are fire.
Let me know what y'all think, y'all thoughts, y'all opinions on these. If y'all cop, I wouldn't quite pay resale yet. I think there's going to be another restock happening. Maybe tomorrow, a couple days from now, but
Keep your eye out if you're trying to get a pair. Don't pay resale yet.
just wait a little bit. So let me know.
Y'all copping, y'all sleeping.
Y'all crying because y'all didn't get a pair? Trust me, because I would be crying too. But, yo, I hope y'all staying safe out there. He said it all. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget that notification bell to stay tuned to all the in-depth reviews. As if they listen, I don't know. You better do it. Deuces.